Hi, this is Happy Rich Mama. Hope you're all having a great day today. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and ring that notification bell so you will be notified on the upcoming videos. Thank you. Kinalolokohan naman ngayon ang pagbili ng halaman online. Oh my God, mine, SSD, shared, yes. It's all very exciting and kaya lang minsan lugi sa pamasahe. This video will show how we try to put them back to their original, really lush form. How to replant your packaged plants when you buy them online. So here we are, we mixed the soil that we have. It's composed of loam soil, some vermicast, and some pumice, or they call it pumice. And that's it. And we add some cocoa cubes, just so the moisture stays in. And then we cover it with cocoa cubes after planting. And that's Berto doing the replanting of all my online purchases. I'm just reusing my old pots, whatever I can find, and that's where we plant them. And then maybe when time comes, we can replant them in a bigger pot when they've grown a little bit bigger. We then put them aside on not a sunny portion of my house. This is the garahe area. So that's where they will stay for about a week or so. And then maybe we'll transfer them after they have become established in sunnier side of the garden. I do appreciate how they are able to package the plants and there's minimal damage to the leaves, and I hope they will grow well. Remove any damaged parts of the plant and withering leaves so that they do not disturb the growth of the plants. Here are some of my purchases online that cost about 100 to 200 to 300. That's it. Here they are now, newly planted. Hope you all recover well. Here are some purchases already set in the garden. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo Ikebana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.